What is up, guys? Welcome to this week's video. If you didn't see the last video, I put the soft top on a Jeep. It's the Sierra black denim soft top. That is the video I posted up last week. But for this week, if you watched that last video, you probably heard about what we got coming this week. I got another unboxing video for y'all. It's a new radio that supposedly has Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay. The old radio I had in here, if you guys watch Touch and Modern series, this will be another video for the Touch and Modern series. I'll leave that series link down below. But I had another radio up there, and I tried to switch it into my buddy's truck, and kind of fried on me because something with the wiring went wrong in his truck. So it doesn't work anymore. Try putting it back in here, it's not working. So I ordered another radio that I'll also link in the descriptions below, but it has a shit ton of good reviews on Amazon, so we'll see if the reviews hold up for that radio. Hopefully it's good, because I'm excited to have another double-din radio in here. And without further ado, let's start getting this installed. Go ahead and open the box up. This is the radio. So supposedly you can have a bunch of apps and stuff, but we'll find out once we get it plugged up. So let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. We got the manual and the wiring kit, some screws, and a little tool to get your dash plastic off, some brackets, bezel to go around the outside, styrofoam, cardboard box, last but not least, plastic bag, and the radio. Hoping that's not a crack in the screen. Nope, it's just a scratch on the screen protector. But it's got a little port for SD card, USB charger, power, volume, fuse, antenna, amplifier, video, backup camera stuff, and your wire harness. So it's out online and it had Apple CarPlay. We're about to find out. Hopefully y'all can see everything pretty good. I'm about to jump into the passenger side and start getting this stuff wired up. I'm working with the light I have because I'm doing it here in the garage because it's really hot outside. Don't mind the dust. Last video, the fire extinguisher went off. So, if you watch the other videos, I got these wire adapters for the other radio that was in here. So we're gonna cut these wires, splice them into these, and hopefully everything works. So a tool that we don't need. But I'm actually going to go ahead and take this off. Mine kind of just pops off. It's not supposed to. It works for me. So we're going to have to put these brackets on here. And it does not fit. That is bad. So, going, see if it fits in here the way it should. Okay, so it fits here good. But I'm gonna have to trim the centerpiece out, like you see on some other double-din install videos. And we're just going to secure it to the center dash with these brackets. These two holes are from the old one. So we're going to secure it with this and put these little tie straps in here and go ahead and get this cut out with my little multi-tool. Now you can see I got this cut out so the radio will sit flush. I attached it just by using these metal brackets on the inside, nut bolt on the outside. Gives it a little bit of rugged look. And if you haven't seen my old video, my old video on YouTube shows that I had to trim this for the double din, but for this one I had to trim this as well. And I also put these nuts and bolts to hold the radio in place, because there's nothing to bolt it to in here. But see if it fits now. Yep, fits on there perfect. Now let's go ahead and start wiring it. So I'm going to attach the new plugs to the old plugs, so I can just plug it in and we would be good. So it's all just going to be color to color, and I'll show you that once I'm done, so I'm not wasting y'all's time. This one, the colors are a little bit different, so I'll walk you through those once I get to these. Okay, so as far as wiring, all the colors, like the green with the black went to green with the black, green went to green, blue went to blue, purple with purple, all the colors go to the color it obviously matches. The only thing different is the black. It's going to go to the black wire inside the Jeep. The brown and green, I'm leaving those blank because I ain't got nothing for them. Pretty sure those are for other speakers. But the pink is going to go to you, if you have a backup camera, it'll go to the hot wire on the backup camera. Just plugs into the back of the radio for your antenna. And this is the microphone if you have an external mic for your hands-free driving. But all the colors go to the colors. Pretty simple. Just splice them in there, and then they plug into the back of the radio here. If you can kind of see, it's hard with the light in here, and then into the Jeep. So we got the pink wired to the red, the black's wired together. That clicks into there, and then it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but I'm gonna get this black one clicked in with this black one down here, and then plug those two black ones into the radio here, and get the antenna plugged in, backup camera, and microphone. In case you were wondering, the backup camera gets plugged into this one here. Moment of truth. Okay, so power's on. Go ahead and get all our settings set, and I will show you a deeper walkthrough of the radio. Volume's working. Starting off. So got it all wired correct. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my radio and let you know how everything works. Alright guys, so the radio is all set up. It has the ability to do, your regular radio, Bluetooth, music. If you have a movie, you can watch movies through SD card or USB drive. And of course, if you plug in your USB, you got Apple CarPlay. So yes, Apple CarPlay does work. Plug it, you go back to here, and I don't have an Android, so I can't try Android CarPlay, but I know for a fact Apple CarPlay works, and I really like this radio because the old one I had, also the volume up button and stuff was built into the screen. The screen is definitely not as laggy as the other one, and I like having the adjustable volume where I can turn a knob instead of touch screen, because it got wasn't working right on the last one. And then of course comes with the remote. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I showed y'all how to install this double DIN radio. The product will be linked in the bio below in case you're interested in checking it out. But everything's pretty simple. If you're interested in wiring up subs or a backup camera, that is in the other videos of my Touch and Monitor series that I made a couple years back. But this radio seems a lot more solid than the other one. The other one lasted a lot of years. But I like having the Apple CarPlay feature, a little touch of modern in a 98 Jeep. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more, please drop a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe. Till next time, thank you all for watching.